In this video, I'm going to share with you the lead generation process that builds massive email lists quickly. It doesn't matter what your business is, it doesn't matter what you are selling. If you want to generate a lot of leads and build a massive email list quickly, this video is a must-watch for you. Hi, Peter Gertie here with another video in the free DashNex Insider video series where we help you to simplify everything when it comes to lead generation, email list building, and making money in your business. Now, to make sure you don't miss any of our videos in the series, hit the subscribe and bell button right now so you're all set and you can get the strategies first so you can see real results in your business as quickly as humanly possible. All right, so let's dive into today's topic, and today's topic is lead generation process and how to use that process to build massive email lists quickly. And what I have found over the years, and I have been doing list building since 2011, so quite a few years. And you know what I have found is that this two-step process that I'm going to share with you today is the most effective and the fastest way to really dominate the space that you are in, because it's all about attracting the right kind of prospects, the right kind of leads for your business. And you can only do that if you go inside of your niche and you start to dominate it quickly. So this two-step process that I mentioned for the lead generation really starts with answering a very simple question. And that question is, what? That question is what? And it's the most important question. If you answer this question correctly, you are going to dominate the space. You're going to attract all the best prospects to your email list or whatever you do in order to get them. And you basically will be starting to dominate the space. And the answer to the question, what, starts with a very simple thing. What everybody else in my market, in my niche, is doing right now to attract the ideal customers, the ideal prospects? This is the question that you have to answer, right? And what this means, it means that you go out and you find top 30, right? Minimum 25, 30 people that are actively prospecting, that are actively trying to generate leads, and you figure out what they are doing in order to do that. So you look at them and you ask them what kind of giveaways they have. So what kind of ebooks they are giving away, what kind of software they are giving away, what kind of videos, what they do in order to attract the ideal customer, the ideal prospect, the ideal lead. Because when you know these top 30 people, what you will learn, you will quickly learn everything about the marketplace. You will know exactly how they are doing this. You will know exactly what they give away. You will know exactly what kind of emails they are sending, how often they are doing this. You will have answers to all of those questions. And when you will go through the top 30 people with this kind of question, it will be super easy for you to make a decision how to really attract your ideal prospect, your ideal lead to your business and do it super fast. Yes, going through top 30 people or top 30 businesses in your niche takes a bit of time. So you go to their website, you check out what kind of retargeting ads they are sending you on Facebook, other places online. You sign up to their email list, you see what kind of emails they are sending. So it will take a little bit of time to figure out. But essentially, if you can figure out what they are giving away in order to attract people, that becomes super easy for you to figure out what you need to do, and that will be the step number 2 in order to convert those people on your email list and get them to subscribe to you. So now you have the answer to the question what. So you have gathered all the things on a spreadsheet, so you know your competition, you know what they are giving away. And the cool thing is that now some commonalities will emerge. So you will start to see some patterns. You will start to see what exactly people do. So what is the process that they have done in order to make it happen? And you have to remember that every single of those businesses are doing their own research. You know, maybe they have hired some agency to do that for them. Maybe they have, you know, done the research extensively themselves. Maybe they are already 5 or 7 years or 10 years in the business, and so they have some kind of edge. But at least you will know specifically what is the things that other people do in your market in order to attract those prospects, in order to generate those leads to their business, right? And so once you identify that, right, the next step, and I'll take a different color here, the next step is very simple. You 10x that, right? You 10x that. And what I mean by this, and you know, obviously 10x is something that everybody have heard probably from Grant Cardone or, you know, some books or something like that. But the essential idea is that, you know, when you look at the top 30 people that they are kind of giving away in order to attract leads, in order to build their list, and then you think about, okay, how can I make more value? How can I add more value than any of these businesses are doing right now? So go through the comments on Facebook, on their Facebook pages. Look everywhere online so you can see what people are giving, what kind of response people are giving when they are getting these giveaways or whatever they are using for the lead generation. So what kind of response people are giving, comments on the blogs and forums and Facebook groups and things like that, in order to identify how can you 10x the value for your offer, so that when you put out the offer, when you will start to attract those leads, they instantly see that you are someone who is adding much more value than anybody else. And that's the whole game. If you nail this process correctly, and I have done this many, many times, as I mentioned, I've been building email lists since 2011, so I've been doing this for a long time. And every single time when I do this process, you know, my lead generation funnel converts like crazy. I'm making a lot of money from that funnel because I'm giving more value away than any of my direct competitors maybe combined, right? And you don't have to overthink this either. For example, if someone is giving away an ebook, give them away an ebook plus a video. If someone is giving away a video, give them a PDF and a checklist, right? Give them an action plan, right? So some kind of little things that can help people instantly in your market to get results. Because people that are searching for your business, your prospects, your leads, they want a solution. And if you can give them a helping hand, and if you can add more value than any of your direct competitors can, then you become the winner and you come in and you start to dominate the space like you have been there for many, many years, and you start to outcompete some of the big guys that have kind of already kind of used to that, and they don't kind of appreciate the process anymore, and so they kind of have done the same things for a long time, and so it's not the most effective way how to do it. And that's why newcomers, so people who want to really dominate a niche, they come in, they add more value instantly, quickly, and today with all the social media and everything else, with all the options available, it's super easy to demonstrate that value very, very quickly, and that's it, and you are a winner. Because if you will start to just wander around and start to search, okay, what people want, and then you start to wonder, you know, how can I add more value? That's a long process. You might get it right, but most of the time you will get it wrong. But when you go this route where you look at what other people are doing, how they are attracting, you know, prospects and leads, and you 10x that, you add more value to them instantly, and that's a simple process how to do it, and we will show you that in the DashNex Insider series later, then you just become a dominant force in your niche and your list grows massively. All right, so there you have it. Now you have the lead generation process that you can put in place in your business in no time at all. It takes just maybe a few days to set this thing up, but once you have it up, you will start to build massive email list in no time at all. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button below, and also please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know how you think about the value in your marketplace. Can you see those top 30 people in your marketplace and how you can outcompete them? And if you have a question about specifics please ask them in the comments below. I will be happy to answer them and provide you even more guidance into this so you can really nail it and start to dominate your niche in no time at all. So that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the subscribe and bell button so you get the next video in the DashNex video series, so you can grow your email list in no time at all and make more money in your business. This is Peter Garrity. This is DashNex Insider. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to learn more how to grow your list and make more money with your online business, watch the next video right now. You can see it somewhere here on this page. It's going to be good. It's going to give you another strategy that will help you to get results faster than you ever thought possible. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified once we release the next video in the DashNex Insider series. Plus, we will release some inside strategies, some really advanced stuff that we currently use in our business to generate leads and make money. So subscribe right now and watch the next video.